sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Hello. Okay, boys.
సార్
ఇంకా రాలేదే, చాలా మంది రావాలి.
మీరు క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ చేయండి సార్.
Hello. Let's we start the class.
చేయండి సార్.
Yes, sir. Change.
Okay, boys. Okay, boys. Today we are going to discuss. Already I told you last class. Today we are going to discuss a poster. That means how we create a poster. That is conducted by Kandukuri Laughing Club. I already sent you the poster. See, please observe that one. After that, we will discuss what is a poster and everything we discuss on the basis of a poster. So, please, boys, can you observe that? Hello. Can you observe that, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Kandukuri Laughing Club.
Just read that one. Just read, boys.
Yes, sir.
You can read.
Kandukuri Laughing Club. Kandukuri Prakasham district announces the Rajbabu Prize.
Yes.
The best for the best
boy.
write-up.
Okay. Start. Hello. Yeah, look at the poster given below the Kandukuri Laughing Club, Kandukuri Prakasham district. It was conducted by Kandukuri Laughing Club, Prakasham district. Here the club is announced as the Rajbabu Prize. The Rajbabu Prize for the best write-up on the role of comedy in human life. And one more thing to be here has given to us, like the poster, the award annually honors. The award annually honors one prime media journalist in each of the following the categories: best write-up in Telugu and Urdu and English. And each award carries 5,000 rupees. Each award carries 5,000 rupees. And one more thing to be here is given to us in the poster. Deadline for entries. Deadline for entries July 27. Give your contact details. For another information, further information and submission of publishers entries, contact the next N. Paraya President, the Kandukuri Laughing Club, 9th Old Banka Street, Kandukuru, Prakasham District, 523105. Contact number. Something else has given to be here, like just 970-195-7654, like that. The next thing, www.klc. So that means Kandukuri Laughing Club .organization/awards. So this is the poster created by Kandukuri Laughing Club is given to announcement. What is that? The Rajbabu prizes. Their announces here. Their announces here. Rajbabu prizes. Rajbabu prizes. So like that here is given to what the information has containing in this poster. So I will go to one by one to be discussed with you. After that, I give you a chance to you. You should be create a poster like this.
Sure.
See the first thing, head. The first thing, head. See guys, the second, if you have a textbook, turn up your page, and now reflection on the following questions. The reflection on the following questions. What is that here? What are the elements of an effective poster? What are the elements? So what are the elements to be here as announcing? The elements means like that here. What I told you now, the who created the poster and who announces the program and what is the date of entries and what is the date of ended and what is the things to be conducting to there and how much of prizes to be announces by the club activities as given to the information in the poster. So that means here the program branches by the Kandukuri Laughing Club in Prakasham district of Kandukuru. So here announces the program is the Rajbabu prize. The Rajbabu
Rise.
prize for the role of in
Right up
human life. The role of comedy in human life. Just a minute, boys. Just a minute. You will be on the line, please. Hello.
Sir. Sir.
తులసి సార్ లైన్ లోకి రమ్మన్నారా తులసి సార్
మీరు చెప్పండి సార్ క్లాస్ మీరు చెప్పండి నేను ఆఫీస్ పనిలో ఉన్నాను సార్ మీరు చెప్పండి
ఓకే సార్ ఓకే guys, what are the elements of an effective poster? Then the poster is color, size, layout, font size,
Size.
language, etc. So that means here we create a poster like we should be follow color, size, layout, font size, and language. These are the elements we should be follow to create a poster. Then here, who issued the poster? The first thing, who issued the poster?
Poster.
Then second one, what is the purpose of the poster? What is the purpose of the poster? Then second one, what is the deadline? What is the
Deadline.
deadline? What are the other details are highlighted? What are the other details highlighted? The next thing, what should be highlighted in the poster? Okay, boys?
Yes, sir.
What should be highlighted in the poster? Who are the target audience of the poster? So, now we are going to discuss about the Kandukuri Laughing Club poster. Then here the first thing, who issued the poster? Who issued the poster, boys?
Rajbabu.
Boys. The poster issued by the Kandukuri
Rajbabu.
Laughing Club. Okay, na? The poster issued by the Kandukuri Laughing Club.
Laughing Cup.
Second one was second one.
Rajbabu.
The purpose of the
What is the
poster.
purpose of the poster? See here, the Rajbabu prizes.
Prize.
The Rajbabu prizes.
Prizes.
And second thing, the third one, what is the deadline? What is the
What is the deadline?
what is the deadline here? What is the deadline here?
Deadline 17
Everything
July
in the poster.
27.
Can you observe the poster, please? Hello.
Sir.
Deadline 17
July 27.
7.
July 20.
27.
July 20.
27.
After that, what are the
What
other
are the
details
details?
highlighted? What are the other details? Highlighted. Here, what is the other details of highlighted? See guys, contact,
Award invalid
Contact.
contact,
Contact.
then best write-ups, and
The
also
best
color,
of Telugu.
fonts, language, award, etc. is other details, so we should be highlighted. The next thing, who should be highlighted in the poster? Sorry, what should be highlighted in the poster? A poster. See guys, what is here highlighted? What is highlighted?
best
The
item.
highlighted one, each award carries 5,000. The highlighted one, each award
Carries 5,000
Carries
rupees.
5,000 rupees.
So that is
5,000.
the highlighted thing there. After that, what should be highlighted in the poster? Okay, it is already over. Who are the target audience of the poster? Who are the target audience? Who are the target audience? Here?
There are.
Hello?
Sir.
Hello?
Chapal sir.
Urdu writer, English
Who are
writer.
the target audience of the poster? Who are the target audience of the
The-
poster? Here,
The Raj Babu.
the Raj Babu prizes. The Raj Babu prizes. So
Prizes.
that is the information about the
The
announcement by the Kandukuri Laughing
Long Loft Club.
Announce. Now, from the basis of this poster, from the
The
basis of this
this
poster, we create another poster like this. We create poster another like this. See guys, one should to be given highlights and information. Highlights and information. Now prepare a poster using the information by arranging it is an proper sequence. See guys, here highlights and information. Highlights and information. Themes. Theme. Hello. What is the theme to be here? What is the theme to be here? Humor. Information. Highlights and information. Can we observe the please page number 14? Page number 14. You observed there. You observed there. Please.
Highlight and information.
You observed there, please.
Hello, sir.
Guys, I am in line. Can you observe the information and highlights, please, boys?
Highlights. They mean
You just observe that one. You just observe. You just observe. Now, why I am observing you to like that, son? Now we create a poster to like that. What is a Kandukuri Laughing Club is created a poster like that. Such a poster we create now. The same poster we will be create now.
yes, sir.
The same poster we will be create now.
Yes, sir.
Boys.
Sir. Sir. Chapal sir.
Can you observe the highlights, please?
Sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Sir.
One is theme. The theme is humor, information. The occasion,
Laugh per day.
Laughter day. The occasion,
Category.
the laughter day. Category,
Stories.
stories,
Songs.
songs,
Poems.
poems, essays, articles, and cartoons. The next award, Best Comic Writer Award.
Best
Writer Award. What is the prize money?
Best
Prize amount. Prize
10,000.
amount.
10,000
Prize
rupees.
amount. 10,000 rupees.
10,000 rupees.
Contact number as your wish. Write down your number. Then deadline. Then deadline
19th
here.
August.
Entries.
19th August.
Entries 19th August.
August.
19th
Issued by
August. Then issued by
ABC
by ABC Law
Lang-
Club. Mummidivaram.
Mumidivara, East Godavari District.
East Godavari District.
53321.
Target audience.
Writer,
Poets, essays, poets, and lyrics.
lyricist.
So like that here. Now, to the based of this information, what is that? To the based of this information, now we create a poster. We create a poster.
Okay, sir.
See guys, take a page and write to follow down. Then first thing we announce here, then issued by, by ABC Law Club, Mummidivaram, West Godavari District. So like that, the number is on the book. The next thing, theme. The next thing, theme.
Team.
Announcers. Announcers. What is that? Announcers. What is that? Announcers.
Humor.
Humor. Your occasion, the laughter.
Laughter day.
Announcers, the Rajbabu prize. Rajbabu prize.
Category.
Then after.
Category.
Nothing. See guys, what is next priority as given? For the best writers on the role of comedy in human life. Hey, the role of comedy in human life, that is the next priority. So the next priority is given to in our thing here, humor.
What is the
Priority,
deadline?
humor. The next thing,
Deadline.
deadlines.
9th August.
Deadline. Then you can prepare yourself. The date is changed by as you like. As you like. You can given your liking
Related.
date. The next thing. The next thing. Next one. What are the details of highlighted? What are the details of highlighted? What is to be here? These details,
Award.
here prize money, award, prize money, award, and
Issued by.
target audience, etc. We should be created as a highlighter 1.
Poster.
Now we are going to create here the contact number, say further information, and submission of publisher entries, contact. Then here contact, who will be conducted to be here, the president, and
The president.
who is the president to be here, who is the president, and who is the president, issued by ABC Mummidivaram.
ABC Language Club.
ABC Language
Mummidivaram. East
Mummidivaram
Hey,
East
Silence.
East Godavari district.
District.
you should be create as you like. You are the conducted person of the
Club.
program. You are the conducted of the person of the program. You should be write your name. Okay, boys. Hello,
Yes,
boys.
sir. Yes, sir.
Boys, you yourself you created by your name, boys. Then issued by, then highlighted things what I am telling you now. Hello, boys.
Yes, sir.
That information as you, then you, this one created by yourself. You are the creator of the poster. Now you can write your name. You can write your name where you can write your name here. And where a president is like they are conducting the Kandukuri Laughing Club like that. You are writing your name. Say for example, Dilip Chakravarti conducted this program. What is the program now we can conduct? What is the program?
ABC Laughing Club. Spoken Club.
Laughter Day. Occasion is the Laughter Day. The theme is humor. So that is write down your name from the content. Then who is conducted? Then another thing is best write up in Telugu, Urdu and English. Best write ups. Best
Right.
write ups. Here best comic writer award. The next thing categories.
Telugu, Urdu,
Stories. Hey, categories. It is already over. Why don't you repeat that?
songs, poems, essays,
Stories,
articles,
songs, essays, articles,
and cartoons.
cartoons. Stories, songs, poems, essays, articles, and cartoons are the categories. So that means we create where it is, we create best write-up in. Best write-up in announces the program. Then about the award annually honors one print media journalist in each of the following in 3 categories. Hello.
Yes, sir.
From there you can create like this. After that languages. After that, language information to be there. Telugu, Urdu and English. The next thing issued to their amount, prize money, amount, prize money, prize money. Then here each award carries 5,000 in Kandukuri Lakham Club. But
Kandukuri
our
language
information, how much amount?
10,000.
10,000. In place of 5,000. In place of 5,000. In place of 5,000.
5,000.
We are creating the place in 5,000. We should 10,000 created.
10,000.
We are in place of 5,000. We should be right. We should be right. 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees. After that, deadline is already over.
Sir.
Deadline is already over. Then issued by is already over. Then target audience. Then final one.
Target audience. Writers,
Target
journalists, poets, and essayists,
target
cartoonists, and lyricists.
voice.
Yes, sir.
Target audience.
Audience.
Target audience.
Yes, sir.
Then here, writers, journalists, poets, essayists, cartoonists, and lyrics. In our information is like that. Then in our poster is journalist, print media, annual honors, award annually honors, one print media, journalist, and each of the following there. In place of that we create. Hello boys.
Sir.
In
Yes,
place
sir.
of that we create. In place of that we create. What is the information is given to us in the chart? That the areas we fill up there. That the areas we fill up there. So what is the areas we fill up there? That means that information. What is the information is given to us in the slides? The boys. The information is target audience. Here writers, journalists, poets, and essayists, cartoonists, and lyricists. In place of that, we are writing these are writers, journalists, poets, essayists, cartoonists, and lyricists. Then this is the information of a poster using by information created, arranging it a poster sequence. Then now you can prepare a poster. What is that? I will give a homework to you now.
Yes, sir.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
guys. Give a homework, please. Kandukuri Lakham Club, and now we create a poster.
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 Like that in our college school freshers day function poster. School freshers day
Poster.
poster
Poster.
we create now. As we follow that things.
Yes, sir.
As
Okay,
we
sir.
follow that things.
Okay, sir.
As we follow that things we created now. MJP APBCWR school Satyanedu. MJP APBCWR school Satyanedu is conducted Freshers Day function. ఓకే బాయ్, నేనేం చెప్పాను అర్థమైందిరా మీకు ఇప్పుడు? మీకు అర్థమైందా? నేనేం చెప్పాను అర్థమైందా ఇప్పుడు మీకు?
అర్థమైంది సార్.
ఇప్పుడు మన కందుకూరు క్లబ్ ని బేస్ చేసుకొని మన దగ్గర ఉండేటటువంటి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ప్రకారం ఏం చేసాం ఏం చేసాం పోస్టర్ ని క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం ఇప్పుడు అదే విధంగా సేమ్
sir.
ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ తీసుకొని
School freshers day.
ఫ్రెషర్స్ డే చదివేడు స్కూల్ ఫ్రెషర్స్ డే ని
Poster
ఒక క్రియేట్ చేయాలి then created
Okay,
by
MJPAP.
that poster created by
Boys.
you. That means freshers here, freshers here, the 5th class students, your younger brothers. So welcoming them, and we create a poster. How, what steps we can follow, and what information that the poster, everything we should like that. You can prepare yourself and send it to me.
Okay, sir.
Okay, boys.
Okay, sir.
The next class, we will discuss what the poster you created and send it to me. Then I will discuss for class. Okay, guys. Hello,
Okay, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Tulsi sir. Tulsi sir.
Okay, sir.
Tulsi sir.
సార్ చెప్పండి సార్.
Tulsi sir.
సార్ చెప్పండి వింటున్నా.
Hello.
సార్ చెప్పండి సార్ వింటున్నాను
My
సార్.
class is over.
సార్
Hello, sir. My class is over.
సరే సార్ అలాగే సార్.